pays tribute to the awardees with 10 to 15 years as part of TCMI family with outstanding individual performance. And this year's, we have the first Hall of Fame award goes to the print ad model, host, singer, life coach, and businesswoman, founder of Mission Universe, and co-owner of SSS Auto Hub. Ladies and gentlemen, a round of applause for Michelle K. Umale. Solo picture mo na kay Michelle, solo mo. And then, okay na, sabay tayo sa Randy. May I invite the husband of Michelle on stage? Okay lang? Ayan o, mga milyonaryo. Picture lang. Okay, let us give the floor to Michelle for a short speech.
Thank you so much. Thank you, Sir Jane, Sir Randy. I'm so grateful to be here, first of all. Thank you to everyone. It's so nice to see familiar faces. Also, ang gaganda pa rin. And I'm so happy also that you guys are here to support Sir Jane. Paulit-ulit ko sinasabi sa kanya, I'm so proud of him because aside from being a star maker, si Sir Jane, Sir Randy, ang dami talaga nila mga pinasikat ng mga celebrities na nakikita niyo na ngayon on TV and sa big screen. Aside from being that, he's also very creative and very supportive. So, you are blessed to be around him. Huwag yung sasayangin yun. And I'd also like to remind you guys, especially sa mga nag-uumpisa ngayon, to heed their advices because they've been in the industry for so long. And you'll see that there are big people who are still supporting them because they are kind people and talagang all out sila pag sumuport sa inyo. So just keep your feet planted on the ground and always ask God for guidance as well and believe in yourself. Thank you and congratulations to everyone.
Thank you, Michelle. Dito ka muna. Picture tayo dito. Next up, first runner-up winner, supermodel for Mega Fashion Cruise Season 2. Commercial and brand model in the cabin crew of AirAsia Philippines. Ladies and gentlemen, Edelweiss Omeleg. Ang simple, di ba? Pero umabot sa Mega Fashion Crew. So, may picture tayo. Okay, short speech.
Good afternoon, everyone. Thank you, Sir Jay, Sir Randy, for inviting me here. And isa lang po masasabi ko, have fun. And sila talaga tutulong sa inyo kung nasan ako ngayon. Sila yung dahilan kung bakit nandito pa rin ako. I'm doing print ads pa rin. And also, I have my work din. So, kung hindi dahil sa personality development training ko with CMI, wala ako kung nasan ako ngayon. Thank you!
Next up, Beauty Queen, Miss Philippines Lumiere International World 2023 and regular singer at Shangri-La Makati. Ladies and gentlemen, Cristel Tapayan Atinen. Picture muna, solo muna.
Hello, good afternoon, everyone. Wow, pabilis. What's up? First of all, I'd like to thank Sir Jay and of course Sir Randy and to my TCMI family. Thank you very much for the endless support that you have given me and also for providing the gowns for all my lounge singing commitments na yan. And sa totoo lang, pinagpapawisan ko yung kilikili ko dahil hindi ko alam kung ano sasabihin ko. Pero okay, it was a last-minute invitation. I was just invited last night. Na-inform lang po ako in regards with this event. So pagdating dito, nabigla ako dahil ganito pala karami. So I am really, really proud of you, Sir Jay and Sir Randy, to the TCMI family. Lumalaki na ang pamilya natin. And again, what Mr. Richard Hinola, hello, nice to see you again. Would like to tell you sa mga young generations, always keep your feet on the ground and never ever, yun nga sabi ni Sir Richard wag na wag yung kakalimutan na lumingon sa sino, sa mga taong tumulong sa career nyo, and always be humble and always be kind. Whatever reason that is, kung sino man ang gustong sumubok ng pasensya nyo, guys, I'm telling you, patience is the key and also kindness. So always be open for room for improvement, for some criticism, kasi it will always be about you, your talent, and malayong mararating nyo. And huwag niyong kakalimutan sila Sir Jay and Sir Randy, and of course Sir Lester. I hope you're here from Canada. Sana po pag uwi nyo, dalhan niyo po ng jowa din si Eden. Talagang naisingit ko kayo now. Syempre. Hello ate. Hello ate Michelle. And I would like to say hi to my batchmates. Ayan, hello. And also, just to let you know guys, si Ruru din, it's our batchmate. Ruru Madrid, siya po yung kabatch namin, and also isa din sa nakasikat ni Sir Jay. Kaya guys, nasa tamang landas kayo. Without further ado, let me call in once again Sir Jay.
May picture tayo. Tapos na ba? This is Asia Pacific International Businesswoman 2023 first runner-up and first ever Miss PL1 or Pamatasang ng Lungsod ng Marikina. Ladies and gentlemen, Ani Salazar! Ay, mga negosyante na yan, mga picture tayo.
Hi guys! Good day sa lahat. We business women and nasa entrepreneur world, we always say good morning because morning represents new beginning. So we always greet, even if gabi siya, we always greet everyone good morning. So good morning to each and every one of you. So I'm so grateful talaga and so thankful. I didn't expect this thing coming to me. This 2026 is na to sa pasabog ni Sir Jay. Nakakatuwa lang because after 2 decades. So I'm one of her pioneers model. I can still remember nung nagkakilala kami ni Sir Jay. I was about to enroll my college in Olops. It so happened that we bumped into each other. Tapos sabi na, you wanna be a model? Sabi ko, oh, why not? Let's try. Ay, Olop chance! Meron ba dito? Ayan, hello! Tapos, from then on, I started my career. But guys, for the new beginners, yung mga young natin dito na gustong parating yung narating ko, hindi lang nabanggit ni Sir Jay. Bago ako tumigil sa modeling, I was one of her international ramp and print ad models. But nevertheless, guys, just keep this in mind. No matter how high you can fly, wag ninyong aayusin yung paa nyo sa ground. Keep your dreams high, but keep your feet on the ground. And it will take you as farthest as you can dream of. Ngayon, I'm so humbled to share to you. Nasabi ni Sir Jay, I'm one of the entrepreneurs. I've been
I've been out of the country, parang every week wala na ako nito. So, nung in-invite niya ako, sabi ko, okay, sakto, nasa Pilipinas ako, I can come. And si Cristel, nakasabay ko siya doon sa isa naming competition. Siya nasa miss, ako nasa missis na. So guys, huwag yung bitawan yung dream nyo. Tsaka isa pang tip, ngayon lang ako na late, Sir Jay. Never in my entire career na na-late ako sa glossy, na-late ako sa call time. I'm always on time para lagi rin nating on time ma-receive yung blessings. Thank to God talaga. And thanks to my mom. Ayan. Strong women because raised by strong women. So, yan. Thank you, guys.
Sir, andito pala yan. JP Suarez, may negosyo na rin sa Amerika. And of course, andito kanyang pinadalang representative. Yung awards na lang for JP Suarez. Thank you, Mami, for coming. Ayan. Pwede ba mag-speech? In behalf of JP.
My brother JP. I just want to thank to you and na-invite siya and may also this award. Thank you po.
E picture tayo. Wala si Roldan, sayang naman. Ayan, picture tayo. Ladies and gentlemen, a round of applause with the Hall of Famers!